Everything's bigger in Texas, except the new 2019 Ram Lone Star Edition pickup, which was introduced at the Dallas Auto Show on Wednesday. It's the same size as the normal Ram 1500, though that's still pretty big. The Texas-inspired Ram gets chrome front and rear bumpers, chrome door handle centers, a bright grille surround, 18-inch wheels, fog lamps, a split folding rear bench, leather trim and steering wheel audio controls. The Lone Star 1500 will also offer sport and black appearance options to go with the special badges on the front and rear. Option packages on the 2019 Ram Lone Star include the bed utility group, cleats and rails for the bed, 4x4 off-road group, 1-inch suspension lift, with or without the available 4-corner air suspension, protection group, skid plates and tow hooks, trailer tow mirrors and brake group, black exterior mirrors, Class 4 receiver hitch, power black trailer tow mirrors with manual fold-away, trailer brake control and trailer tow mirrors, max towing package, an option with the 3.92 final drive ratio offering up to 12,750 pounds of towing capability, and premium lighting group, better headlights. Like the rest of the 2019 Ram pickup family revealed at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, the Lone Star gets 4 interior trim choices and available air suspension, electronic locking rear axle, blind spot monitoring and 20-inch wheels. Engine choices remain the same, either a 3.6-liter V6 making 305 horsepower or a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with 395 horsepower, both of which will eventually be offered with Ram's e-torque mild hybrid system. The Ram 1500 Lone Star is offered in 2 or 4-wheel drive, crew and quad cab configurations and with 5'7" or 6' 4" bed lengths. Lone Star editions go on sale this quarter, which means this or next month, and will be built in Sterling Heights, Michigan. Ram didn't reveal the price yet, but the Lone Star is basically a rebranded Bighorn pickup, which falls on the lower end of the spectrum, price-wise. For reference, the 2018 Bighorn costs about $35,000. The Ram brand's top-selling truck in Texas, Ram 1500 Lone Star, now offers even more, making it a truly one-of-a-kind truck. Introducing the new Ram 1500 Lone Star Silver Edition. Package MSRP is $900 with a starting MSRP of $38,995. Thanks for watching.